Headed to Frugal's for breakfast before we go in to set up. Knock, knock. There she is.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Brekkie.
Egg and cheese sandwich.
Ooh. And that box is some books. We got in some The Journey Begins books. And Jana went by Moon Mountain this morning because we're sold out without these. Woohoo!
Sold out of The Journey Doesn't Begin.
Yeah. No journey for you.
No journey. You have to have Journey Begin books to have a journey.
Today I parked a little bit sideways because yesterday somebody squeezed in between me and the fence and they scraped my rig. So anyway, I don't want anybody doing that again today. And we just picked up Frugal and we're off. Day 6. Wrapping the booth this time instead of putting tarps over the tables, but we're not sure that that was the way to go for us. We'll decide by the end of the day. Okay, so when we come in, we get the tent ready first. We set all of our stuff back here and open up the tent to get everything out. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank Lisa and Barb for loaning us the tables that we are using in the tent. I bought 2 extra tables, but next year now I know I need 6 total. 2 for the tent and 4 for the booth. Journey books, woohoo! So
We all gotta get stickers and bookmarks now. And
yeah, so completely out of those yesterday, and then they came in.
that's what I'm gonna do now. Get them ready to sell.
Yeah, and I'm dusting the table. It gets so dirty with all the wind blowing and everything, but we're getting her done. Star, you guys met him previously. He came by and got some books, and we had met and just enjoyed talking. Nomad Dar from
I'm actually from California.
California.
But I'm in Arizona now.
Arizona now, and we're talking about all his adventures he's got coming up, and he bought some more books. And I said, you got to hold Polly because everybody's going to be wondering where Polly is. And you guys, so Dar, I asked him the history of his name, and he told me the history of that name, and I'm so going to use that in a book. So you guys watch out for that. I'm not going to give it away now, but his namesake is definitely going to be a character. It's an awesome story. Thank you.
Well, thank you for everything, Deborah. You're inspiring. Thank you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Yes.
This is Kathy. And where are you from, Kathy?
Oregon and Arizona.
I love that. Oregon and Arizona. And how long have you been traveling?
13 years.
That's so great.
Yeah.
And you want to show them the macrame piece you got that Lucy made? Oh,
It's in the bag.
it's in the back. It's already in the back. Jana is on it. No?
She is on it.
Oh, there. The can and the yeah, she got the can and the plant hanger. That's great.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
While nobody's at my booth, Jana and I are making reservations for this summer. So gotta love this modern technology life we are blessed to live. Okay, everybody, this is Francis and Pete. And where are y'all from?
Northern California.
Northern California, and you both are officially retired now.
We are.
And this is your first time to be able to be in Quartzsite and walk around. And what do you think so far?
We're having a great time. It's our first time at the show. We got here early and we're really enjoying it. So happy we got to meet you.
Oh, likewise. I got y'all's comment and I was thrilled that you were going to be coming by. Thank you for the book purchase, and you want to show everybody the macrame you picked out from Lucy?
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
yeah. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks.
All right, everybody, this is Jill. Jill, what are you eating?
A frozen banana.
I know. I was like, that's just mean. I've got to go get me one now.
And these books.
Yeah, thank you. And Jill, what state are you from?
Illinois.
Illinois. And you've been on the road 5 years? Yes. It is such a pleasure to meet you.
You too.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you for stopping
Thank
by.
you. Bye.
So, Jana, what do we have for lunch today?
We have a cross between the Taco Bell 5 cheesy beef burrito and a burrito supreme.
Oh, so Taco Bell day, huh? I love
Chorito.
I love it so much. Yum.
How much?
It's free. It's free. Loretta, you thought you were sneaking off camera, didn't you?
No, it's still down there.
Oh, well, thank you for putting that back up.
You're gonna need your bib for this one.
Okay, well, I
It's
can.
got nacho cheese and sour cream in it.
Oh, yeah, I might need 2 bibs.
Yeah, it's gonna go down your elbow.
Okay, so this one you said you're calling what?
This is a taco in a bowl.
Taco in
This
a
is
bowl.
the leftovers of the meat and a little bit of the tomatoes and lettuce.
Oh,
And
nice.
so I made a corn one for you.
Cool.
And I've now just got confused which one's which. Yours has more meat. I don't know here. I think it's that one.
Okay, we can switch easily enough if you want to, but I'm good either way.
Here's your taco in a bowl
Woohoo!
with a fork because it seemed like it was gonna fall apart. And even though these are Taco Bell copycats, we're having Jack in the Box hot sauce.
We're just gonna fast food it up.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you, dear. Bando, none of it is for you, buddy. She brought Bando back today from the camper when she brought lunch. So this is the Taco Bell burrito, made by Frugal RV Gal.
Yes.
So it's the
Taco.
Frugy Taco Bell.
Yeah. It's a copycat.
How do you get your circle so perfect?
So there's nacho cheese and sour cream. So she does have it wrapped up in oil,
But still,
but
it's
yeah,
me.
but it's Deborah. So
I got this bib from a wonderful lady, Route 66 bib at QIA to wear just for my book signing events so I don't mess up my clothes for my book signings.
there you go.
Lorelai, it has been such a treat to
Oh,
spend
yes.
this time with you. And Jana and I appreciate you filling in, and you did so good. You know, everybody enjoyed visiting with you too. And then you buy books for a gift, and so thank you so much. You want to show everybody what macrame you picked out from Lucy? Look at this beautiful macrame.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, we haven't been able to. We're like, why hadn't anybody taken that? And Lorelai's like, because it was waiting for me.
Yes.
Awesomeness.
And the books are for my sister Tina.
Yes, Tina. Blessings to you, sweetheart. This is Loretta. I think you saw her a while ago. She was sneaking around trying to get off camera. Or at least that's what I accused her of. And Loretta, remind me where we first met. All of us are all looking at each other. We can't.
It was your book signing, the first book signing.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
So thank you. So she came today and has been hanging out for a little bit and got my KOKO trilogy, and then she bought the other bundle for a friend that she's going to send that to.
Yeah.
And so thank you so much. And then
Oh,
you
my
brought us
pleasure.
some treats.
Look at
Here,
that.
Jana, show them the treats.
Mm.
We love
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, we love these dried, dehydrated fruits and veggies. Well, I guess there's no fruit. Green beans.
You're the fruit.
Yeah, I'm the fruit. And the veggie chips. We love these. We snack on them all the time when
Yeah.
we're here in Quartzsite.
They are so good. They're from a vendor around the corner down there.
How do you get your carrot? Look at my hair.
About
Wasn't that funny?
That's great.
Or use your phone as a mirror.
That's great.
Oh, now
My hair.
static electricity.
My hair.
My hair. That's how you eat your carrots right there.
Yeah, and it's so good. Don't know what that vendor does to them, but it's great. Loretta, thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure. It's been wonderful to meet you.
This is Jack, and he dropped by, and you said you watch both Frugal's channel and mine.
Oh, yeah.
That's great. He was telling me about some of the things that from videos a long time ago.
Oh, yeah.
So thank you so much. And you got a bunch of my books, and that is wonderful. And you said you were going to come out on Monday. I think you said, but the wind.
The wind was so bad.
Decided not to.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming back out. And he's already just standing here in the little while I was signing his books. He's already gotten compliments on his outfit. It is just awesome.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, pleasure to meet you finally.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, I even got to see Bandit.
Yeah, he's back there. He's being a pretty good boy today, isn't he?
Yeah, he's calmed down a lot.
Yeah, I'll bring him around and you can meet him.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Everybody, this is Marla, and we just realized that we just met in 2019 at one of Rady's birthday parties, right?
Right.
That's awesome. And she came today and bought my book, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life.
I said you've been an inspiration to me because I'm agoraphobic, and
Yeah.
so I now travel way more than I used to, and I love it, and I thank you.
That's awesome. And I went through that period. You'll read that in my book. I went through that
Good.
period in my life too.
Yay.
So thank you for coming by today
Oh,
and getting to
thank
see you
you.
again.
Thank you
And
so
your
much.
family.
Yeah.
They're being so patient. Hello, Tiff.
Hello.
Tell everybody the name of your channel.
The Camper Tales.
The Camper Tales. And
Yes.
show Lucy the macrame you got.
It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it.
So are you going to go share a burger with Lauren?
No, I'm not sharing. We would get a burger, but I'm not sharing. I don't do that.
Oh my gosh.
What are y'all doing?
We brought Jana. Well, you both have to share because
We're sharing?
you share food.
We-
We're sharing,
You don't share food, but you want us to share food.
Some a little kale salad type thing.
Ooh, thank you. Plus we got to see Lauren. Yeah.
Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness.
You're going to eat that now, aren't you?
That's my dinner. What is that?
Feta.
Yeah, it's vegan feta.
Vegan feta.
Just vegan feta.
Straight up.
You gotta get a little everything. Some avocado. It's got a little kick to it.
We're sharing. Dude, we just shared a fork too.
Mm.
Not
Isn't it so good?
Yeah, I need the recipe.
So what did you say this was?
Okay, it's a kale salad.
No.
Wait,
It's
what?
something about a party.
Oh, a party in your mouth.
It's a party in your mouth.
There's a party in my mouth.
Okay, day 5 has come to an end. I just took the trash to the dumpster and Jana finished securing the tarp and I'd already closed the tent. Are we red-eye, Ted-eye?
Loretta.
All right.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.